This is a sequence of the jobs. Actually, you know what? Before we do the sequence, we're gonna go over the guys. Those are the guys. I gotta tell you who's doing what. I'm gonna bring this out for you too. Slam. Slam does pavers, retaining wall, concrete footings, concrete walls, concrete slab, curbs, sidewalks, limestone stairs. He operates machines. He's the next guy after Wallace, but he doesn't operate big machines. He knows, but he's slow, but he knows.
Okay.
Okay.
Slow is okay.
Yeah.
Slow and
Grading,
steady.
grading, landscape, small excavations. So he's a guy does it all.
What do you use for grading on a large site?
I don't do large size. I don't have those or anything. But I use all my two KXE 080s. They have blades,
Yeah, that's all right.
and my
About that.
yeah, I have another 280 in I have another X80 in Brahms, same size. Okay, he doesn't. He's a harbor driver, so don't give him trucks. He drive if you have to, but it's not my goal. He doesn't move machines and shit. Farid, the older guy, he does paver, retaining wall, all the concrete work, curb, sidewalk, limestone, stairs. He doesn't operate machines. He doesn't touch trucks. Edison, labor, he drive dump truck. He's the best driver here. Pick up garbage from job sites, clean house, move machine around. He's learning machine. Work with Wallace. Sometimes, now he know a lot. We need a, if you know, I need a guy, Spanish guy, with experience in concrete to work with him.
Okay.
All right, 160. Not professional concrete guy.
Helper. You need a helper
Yeah,
that knows what he's doing.
yeah, yeah. With concrete,
Okay.
know how to but I need someone know how to finish concrete,
Okay.
slab and shit. All right.
Sure. I'll start putting the word.
Wilson, he's the operator. He move equipment as well. Drive truck. He's a good driver. He can water and sewer. He does wet taps. Okay. You need to keep an eye on him in the street. He's not very comfortable with the street. Demolition. Yeah.
Wilson. Wilson is the one in the building? No.
Wallace. Yeah.
Well, okay. Yeah, he's a great guy.
Buddha speak Arabic. So if you wanna use translator or whatever, you speak Arabic. Okay. He labor help him with concrete. He help Islam or Farid. Okay. Abu Huda again concrete, no machines. Who's that? This guy left. So this is the guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Task. This is your site work task. So this is very important. This is the project. This is a project from project to project. This is the sequence. It doesn't change. This is the sequence. All right. So site work has two phases. Phase one, the run all the way to the foundation. All right, and phase two, after framing. Okay. This is two phases. I break into phases because we don't work during framing because site has to be level. You have main materials, too much going on. So I wait until the framer finish, then I'll go back on it. All right. And this
You don't do your own framing?
no. And I don't want to do it too much headache. Um, working comp like and saying, the insurance will kill you. All right, so phase one, we start demolition, site cleaning, soil erosion. How long it takes? 5 days duration. Um, 5 day duration if you're doing demolition. But if you're doing site cleaners like Mala, the tree
Yeah.
takes more than a week to clear. So it takes about 5 days. Tools you need. Here's the tools. Okay, silt fence. Okay, hose. Okay, silt fence is more like material. This is material task. Material task. Okay, hose.
For water control?
Yeah.
For dust control?
Yeah,
Okay.
hose sprayer, broom, and shovel. You see, everything is details. All right. Task. Here's all the tasks you need to do. Okay, we're gonna go over overall. So after demolition, what comes after demolition? With tap or sewer. Sometimes I push with tap to the phase two if I don't have the time, but I'd love to get it done in the front, like 60 Baker. I don't have with tab yet. You know what's the with tab?
The what tab is the capping of the utility going in, no?
No, with cab is connecting the water line to the main one,
Right.
not capping.
No. Okay, okay. So you're not
Connecting.
capping yet. You're tapping into the main. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So that's supplying in.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
With tab take 1 to 2 days.
We did that ourselves.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Excavation, foundation takes 45 days between footing, French drain, walls from A to Z. I try to cut this time. Okay. After foundation, everything is broke down. Rib walk out basement. So sometimes we have walkout basement. Like 60 Baker, we don't have walkout basement because we have walkout basement. So we don't have walkout stairs. Okay, so you actually walk out from the basement. Okay, but if we have walk basement, so again, if you guys doing the footing after the walls, like if we would have walkout stairs right now, the guys were prepping the walkout stairs and after cleaning the form, of course. Okay, prep walkout stairs while you're doing underground plumbing. Okay, sometimes the guys would be finished with the panels by now. It takes 2 days. After walkout basement, we have the waterproofing is 1 day. Then we have underground plumbing 1 to 2 days. Okay, this is a sequence. So you do this underground. Then after waterproofing and underground plumbing, you do backfill. After backfill, you do the slab. Okay, after the slab, this is foundation block. If you do foundation block, but you don't have to worry about it, we don't do foundation blocks. All right. Okay, I like.
I know that you import material.
Foundation block, you don't have to worry about it. Let me take it off. All right. Site work phase two. You do the front stairs in the front. Okay. How long it takes? Takes 2 to 3 days. Here's the tools. Again, window well.
Travel? What's a travel?
Trowel. Trowel. The concrete trowel. Trowel.
Okay, okay. The
Yeah.
smoother.
Yeah.
Okay.
Smoother. Okay. Window well. All right. This window well. Actually, I'm gonna move the window well from here. I'm gonna put it phase one because I need this window well done right away. You remember the window well protecting the job from flooding. All right, so I'm gonna move this here. Let's put this 10. So make sure I want you guys leave the job. Okay, front stairs. After the front stairs, we can do the stormy drain system. After the stormy drain system, 13 is a tank, seepage tank. Okay, seepage tank or detention system. Okay. Okay. Carry on. 14 retaining wall. Okay. They are on the windows. Sometimes we have a big retaining wall in the back. Okay. 15 back stairs, 2 days. 16 pavers. Okay. 17 rough grading in the backyard. So you work your way back. You work your way out from the backyard. Rough grading, 18 irrigation, sub out, 19 AC condenser. Okay. 20 bluestone and basement walkout stairs, 1 to 2 days. This is covering the blue. This is the blue stone covering the stairs. 21 clutcher stone on the plywood, okay, which is a stone that goes on the plywood, okay. 22 fence, okay. This is also sub, okay. 23 landscape and backyard and side yard. So I try to get the fence before the landscape goes on because we don't want to dig after the fence. 24 street and driveway curb and Belgian block, okay. So we have to do work in the curbs. 25 grading front yard and landscape. So now once we put the curb, we can do the finish grading and put finish the sidewalk, the grading. Then sidewalk 2 days. Then 27 asphalt lusting. So 27 task from inception to completion. All right.
This is same sequence.
Same
all
sequence.
across.
Same sequence.
Okay.
So I don't want you to do grading before you do the beavers. Yeah.
Right, right. Let's do the grass before we do the fence.
Now, I how many modeler you watched so far from the training?
Mine is 2 or 3 that didn't have audio.
Uh-huh.
Just about all of them.
Okay. All right. So, which one? Okay. This is everything. Site worker. Okay. All of them. You did all of. You sure?
Not all of them.
Not all of them. Okay. Which one didn't have any voice? Okay.
Just
Well,
above just above pavers.
above beavers. Beaver backyard stairs.
That had, if I'm not mistaken, that had voicing.
Before we move to the other stuff. Okay. You see, back stairs. So your 2 days. Okay. So let me make sure everything has a code. So the code here, demolition, sites clean, soil erosion. Okay, just back up whatever you're doing, demolition or what soil erosion. Okay. Wet tap is wet tap. Okay. Excavation. Okay. Demolition also would have. I'm sorry. Sorry. Don't worry about this. Task is, you see, you're gonna write the full. I train you wrong. You're gonna write the full code. You see. You see this code?
Yes.
This is the code you're gonna write in connect team.
Okay.
So you're gonna take it from the Excel sheet. All right. So
That's
this.
the code that, okay.
All right. So in connect team. Here, connect team. So when you go to time clock again. Okay. Say we're gonna go with Farid. Okay. Yeah, we did concrete labor strip form. Okay. So if you go to the Excel sheet, you go to foundation. Here's all the task. Drain to drain, forms. Okay. All task. Material, make sure ties, order missing forms. Schedule form, schedule concrete, strip form. Oh. Strip form. Okay. So this one is gonna be when you strip form, description, strip form. Okay. So you're gonna take this code. You see, example, breb concrete, breb slab. Okay. Waterproofing. This is for we sub this out. Underground plumbing. This is underground plumbing. Task is underground plumbing. Okay. You need the code. Let me get you the code.
So every item has a different code.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I saw the different.
I'm gonna show you also since I'm opening Facebook. Build book.
So I'm gonna make a phone call real quick.
Go ahead.
Is that right?
Yeah. Anyway, let's continue. Underground plumbing. The code is Oh, this is sub out. Underground ones, this is by the plumber. Backfill, here's a backfill, slab, concrete labor, brick slab, window well. We have a code window well. Okay, labor to install masonry. Okay, for the stairs, here's a code. So here's a code for everything. Okay, task by task, everything broken to pieces. If you follow this, trust me, you're gonna be on top of your game. You just have to stay on it. Tools, here's the tools. Everything you need. When foundation, you need the generator, 4x4 pipe, 12, everything. Steel blade bender, circular saw, rebar tie tools, metal plate, laser, everything I learned. Even the gun. This is a gun, concrete gun. You know, everything I learned and is there. All you need to do, make sure it's there, make sure it's working for the guys. Okay.